The parking lots were full and so were the roads at shopping centers around East Texas today as the unofficial start to the holiday shopping season kicked off. This is a look at how busy Broadway Square Mall was this afternoon. From strip malls to shopping malls, East Texans kicked off the 27 days of shopping between Christmas and New Year's with a bang this Black Friday. Just take a look at this. Crowds in Tyler packed Broadway Square Mall hunting for big savings. And one of the newest stores in the mall is already getting plenty of attention. Perfumania, the national fragrance retailer, opened its doors just 2 weeks ago, and the manager says business hasn't slowed down since. The store carries everything from Tom Ford and Prada to Gucci and Creed, and today's Black Friday crowds kept the place buzzing.
Every day we had been given a budget and we have just blown it out of the water. I mean, sometimes it's double what the budget they gave us. So, we're very thankful for all of our customers that are coming in. And I think that the sales that we've been having with the buy one, get one 50% off has really got them excited.
Well, from doorbusters to camp out tradition, shoppers definitely showed up today, kicking off holiday shopping.